Hi, today I'm going to show you how to replace a battery on Toyota remote head key. All you need is a flathead screwdriver. You just stick it in here, you will see the space here. You pop the cover to open. Alright, and one more thing, as you see there is a small black piece here, that's the chip, okay? So you want to make sure this chip will not fall off, because if this chip will fall off, you will not be able to start your car anymore. Alright, so make sure you don't lose it. You're going to take the remote out of the shell. Put the shell very gentle here, because sometimes the bottom will fall off. Now you're going to open the remote himself. And it's a CR2016 battery. I'm going to take a new battery, put it inside, make sure the rubber is sitting well. That's it, we're all done, and thank you for watching.